This seminar on regulatory interaction between electricity and gas is focused on looking at what rules in the electricity and gas sector need to be better aligned to enable the both sectors to have a positive contribution to the energy transition. What is interesting is that we are seeing there are a number of activities ongoing. So there are power to gas projects, some research activities about models for a successful energy transition. But relatively little thought has been given to the question, which changes do we need to our regulatory framework, which harmonizations and coordinations we need across borders, for example, to track renewable gas, to enable electricity to be used for producing green gas and then being stored and then maybe being put into electricity again without incurring huge additional costs stemming from regulatory issues like taxes, surcharges and so on. Probably the most interesting thing that we have learned so far in the seminar is that there is more ongoing than meets the eye, and even experts only have a limited view of what's happening. Going forward, I think we need to look at a few innovative ideas in relation to loosening some unbundling provisions, providing some room for experiments to try out different technologies and different approaches, and in general focusing all sorts of support, financial support, political support for new initiatives on technological neutral approaches. So we should be extremely careful in focusing on just one specific technological solution, be this power to gas and ignoring power to liquid, or being e-mobility and not thinking about gas mobility, and so on. So we are at an early stage, and in an early stage we need to be open for technological innovations, and this seminar hopefully provides a whole basket full of technical and regulatory ideas and initiatives. And in the next year or two, we need to focus on what should be further pushed, what should be further developed. And I'm sure there will be additional activities in the Florence School taking that forward.